Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart. And we start remembering at the current range. It's the overall range that Euro has been in for a few months, with this being the strong higher low that made this high. But the swing structure from A to B price leg, it retrace back. We're looking to see if this is going to be that next higher low, so the prices can target the highs into the overall range. Of course, we're in the buyer's market now, with higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs coming deep into premium, getting past these areas of supply. And as you can see more locally, what it's been doing this week on the 4-hour chart, you see that it has come up, continue to break strength to the upside, but then retrace back down. Looks like we're looking to see prices sweeping this area of support of this little consolidation. As you know, it's still buyers continue to push prices higher. Doesn't have to retrace, give a deep retracement, which you can see here with this bull flag. Didn't really retrace back and take out all this liquidity sitting on these lows. So we're waiting to see if this area that price is in right now can continue from here. It looks like the dollar index is getting a little stronger and giving a little bit of a push, but we're waiting to see if this is going to be a sweep of this area, continue pushing up, or if it can retrace back down, but only looking for any type of buying opportunity at the moment whenever retracements happen. GBP USD, let's go ahead and map at the current range. And of course, we've been internally pushing with the buyers, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. We've been in this area of consolidation, just like with Euro. We're going to see same situation with Euro, if this is going to be a sweep of that support area, and buyers are going to push this to target the highs of the overall range. Did already get past this area of supply that pushed prices down previously. So we're going to see, I think it's back in that area now. Yeah, that's what price is now. Of course, it's out of this bull flag. It's also in the area of demand. So this is an important area for price where it is right now, to see if we can continue to push higher or come back and give more of a retrace to take out some of these lows and come to a different area of demand. But overall, just looking for any type of opportunity to buy when the momentum shifts back toward making new highs. And we briefly look at DXY, and since yesterday, you can see it continued to make lower highs and lower lows after it broke past this area of support. And it was in this area of consolidation yesterday. We're waiting to see if it's going to continue after this retracement. But we see, along with the other pairs, if this is going to be a sweep for DXY that swept these lows, swept this area of support, and buyers are beginning to step back in to give DXY some strength. As you can see, this V-shaped recovery. It did break structure, fractal structure, took out all the liquidity on the small lower level, more local level, took out this high. So we'll see if buyers to continue. We can expect the same from sellers for the other pairs. But right now, it is a strong move with momentum, but this is small high. I would wait to see if it could get past some of these gaps and the high that was formed here. But AUD USD, let's go map out the current range. And what we've been saying about AUD USD, of course, the overall spending consolidation, just at the high of this range. We're looking to see if price can get out and take out the highs that was formed previously back in September, but it's only been bullish more recently. No real pullbacks for AUD USD, so it looks like this is the strongest of the bull pairs. But again, it has been in consolidation for months, so it did get past this supply areas and took out the highs, took out liquidity. Right now, we're in this area of consolidation. Guess we're just waiting to see what these pairs can do out of these areas. But I would expect it, even if it does come back down, I would expect it just to be a retracement, maybe possibly get some liquidity, and then continue to push higher, take out the highs of the overall range. NZD AUD, let's go map out the current range. And of course, we've been saying with Kiwi dollar came out of this area of supply a long time ago, back in October, made this lower high, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. Of course, it broke out. Past the area consolidation, it's been bullish since buyers stepped back in from this lower low. Of course, it continues to break structures to the upside, not giving any type of deep retracement, but there's liquidity sitting under these lows. Just like with the other pairs, could possibly sweep this area of support and then continue. But since it did get past this area of supply, expecting that to happen when momentum does kick back in to the upside and take out the highs of the overall range. But it's in this area of consolidation now. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.